Good evening. This is about revision under CCA rules 1965. What is revision and review? The difference between revision and review. I will give the lecture in two parts, in two sessions. Okay, first revision. Revision is for revising the order already passed, that is punishment orders. Revision can be undertaken by any authority, right from the top, the President of India, the Controller and Auditor General of India, in relation to persons serving under the control of Controller and Auditor General. Next, Member Personnel Postal Services Board and the head of the department, and the last, the appellate authority, and any other authority empowered specially in this behalf by the President can undertake the revision, can revise the orders as per the procedure. No time limit has been generally fixed for other authorities except the appellate authority. The appellate authority can revise the order within 6 months of the date of order. That is, the date of order date. From that date, within 6 months, he has to revise the orders, if at all he wants to revise the orders. Revision means what? Either any authority, as said earlier, right from the President of India, the appellate authority can revise it only within a 6 months period. That's time limit for appellate authority. From the date of the order. Not date of delivery of the order, not date of that order. That's all. The memo date. So, either on his own accord, on his own motion, or otherwise through any other source, if the authority feels or is of the opinion that the order has to be revised, the punishment orders has to be revised, then it will take up the revision proceedings. That is called revision. The authority can revise, call for the records of the inquiry and related records, scrutinize the records, and form an opinion and view whether the order is okay or deserves revision. When it considers for revision, then can revise the orders. On revision, it can confirm the order, modify the order, set aside the order, or enhance the punishment, reduce the punishment, or remit the case to the concerned authority with further direction for further inquiry or for any other action. So, revision proceedings will be only for such results. The revision will be for revising the orders of punishment, either to confirm or set aside, or reduce the punishment, or enhance the punishment, or remit the case for further inquiry with further directions. So the revising authority has to take up the proceedings. If it is the appellate authority, it has to take up the revision within 6 months of the order, with the condition that if the proposal is for enhancement of the punishment, then it can be ordered only after giving reasonable opportunity to the delinquent government servant for making representation, or only after conducting the Rule 14 inquiry. If inquiry has not been held earlier, if the inquiry has not been conducted earlier, inquiry has to be conducted, and then only the punishment can be enhanced, if the punishment is one of the major penalties. If the enhancement of penalty is one of the minor penalties, means reasonable opportunity has to be given for making representation. After considering all these representation and after going through the inquiry proceedings, then you can enhance the punishment. Enhancement will be only for after observing the procedure of giving reasonable opportunity for giving representation, or after conducting the inquiry, Rule 14, wherever required. When the inquiry has not been conducted earlier, then for major penalties, that Rule 14 inquiry has to be conducted, then only decision has to be taken, like that. So the enhancement of punishment to major penalties has to be issued only after giving reasonable opportunity or after conducting the inquiry wherever necessary. And also wherever the UPSC commission has to be consulted, it has to be consulted. The advice of the commission has to be given to the government servant for his representation. These procedures are there. So revision is for only enhancement of punishment, reducing the punishment, setting aside the punishment, remitting the case, like that. The 6 months period is from the date of order. That not only that, the revision proceedings cannot be taken if the appellate period time limit has not been over. So wait for the time limit of appeal, that is 45 days. Only after that the proceedings can be taken up. Not only that, if the appeal is already there, pending, only after disposal of the appeal, the revision proceedings can be taken up. Generally, appeal itself is disposal is like revision. Revision will be like appeal only. Appeal also like revision proceedings. In the appeal also orders can be passed. That is different. If there is appeal pending, or only after disposal of appeal. If the time limit for appeal at 45 days has not been over, you have to wait for that time limit for taking the proceedings. This is about revision. Review is different. We will see it afterwards.